It was honestly, it was pretty straightforward. I think it's one of the benefits of Property Meld, or one of the strengths, is that the user interface and just the usability in general is strong. It's easy to use. Okay, I'm Steve Shannon. I'm the owner with my brother Greg of Shannon Property Management in Houston, Texas. I mean, I think the biggest one is around communication. I mean, there's a lot of moving parts in any given work order. There's a lot of stakeholders involved in any work order. I mean, at a minimum, there's gonna be 3, us, or really 4, the maintenance coordinator, the technician or vendor, the resident, and the owner. So there's just a lot of communication. And so that was the main problem, just not having clean communication channels. The one thing that they expect from us to do well is fix stuff for them, and when that was difficult and not happening smoothly, it was creating friction. I mean, it's really the foundation of property management in every sense of the word. I mean, that's just we're managing the property. It's a physical thing. It deteriorates naturally, and it deteriorates more when people are living in there and using it, living in it. So that's what we tell the team. That's why we have a job, is to maintain the property, to manage the property. There are other things, we're collecting the rent and doing this and that and leasing it, but ultimately, if maintenance didn't exist as a problem, the owners would not hire property managers. So it's really the reason we exist, in my book. I think within weeks, we were up and running with Meld, and our communication around maintenance work orders with our residents and owners was improved pretty significantly. Like, just right off the bat, I mean, it just felt like, oh wow, this is what we needed. It was like a broken system, and then we fixed it. So it started kind of just like, really, it just facilitates that communication, just greases the wheels, makes it easy to do. So we put it in place, people started just using it right away, and pretty much within a matter of weeks, just the whole experience for all the parties involved felt improved.